we'll be adding a third to a quarter. So look at the diagram on the right. Here we have a circle, let's say it's a cake, and it's divided into a third and a quarter. And if we eat a third and a quarter of this cake, we want to know how much of the cake we have eaten in total. What we want to do is compare these fractions with each other. And we do that by creating the same denominator. So in order for us to add a third to a quarter, we need to find the lowest common denominator. So the lowest number into which a 3 and a 4 can go into. And the easiest thing for us to do is to multiply 3 with 4 in the denominator. And what we do at the bottom, we need to do at the top or in the numerator as well. And for a quarter, to create the same denominator, we multiply 4 with 3 and we do the same in the numerator as well. So this will create a common denominator of 12 because 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And for the second fraction, 4 times 3 is also equal to 12. So what we have done is we have created a common denominator by multiplying the first fraction with 4 in a numerator and denominator, and the second fraction by 3 in a numerator and denominator. So now we can see that a quarter is 3 parts of 12, and a third is 4 parts of 12. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts of a possible 12 that we have eaten of this cake. So we can see that when the denominators are the same, we can simply add the numerators together. So it will be 4 plus 3 over 12, which is 7 over 12.